How to fix RealVNC not uninstalling uninstall on Mac. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall RealVNC from a Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall RealVNC on Mac #quit RealVNC if it's currently running if grep VNC Server /dev/null, then echo RealVNC Server is currently running. Please quit the application before continuing. Exit #1 remove the RealVNC application echo uninnstalling RealVNC. sudo rmrf/application/RealVNC/VNC Server.app. #remove the RealVNC preferences echo removing RealVNC preferences. sudo rmrf $home/library/preferences/com/real.vnc server.list. #remove the RealVNC support files echo removing RealVNC support files. sudo rmrf $home/library/application support/RealVNC echo RealVNC has been successfully uninstalled. Exit 0 to use this script. Open a text editor, such as TextEdit, and copy and paste the code above into a new file. Save the file with a .sh extension, example uninstall-realvnc.sh. Then, open the terminal app on your Mac and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using the cd command. For example, if you saved the file on your desktop, you can type cd/desktop and press enter. Next, make the script executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod +x uninstall-realvnc.sh. Finally, run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall real.sh. Follow the prompts to uninstall RealVNC from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.